rain. um, this is how much wash off I got. So I tried to get as much watering done with my sprinkler system as I could before we got any type of rain, which would help me not have so much erosion. But as you can see, there's grass growing. So this stuff, it's been 6 days, but obviously for it to be showing, germination had to probably happen about 3 days, maybe. I better pick this up. Got grass up under there. Got a lot coming in right here. Also some coming in on the side yard. So it looks promising, no doubt. I may get a little areas that has bare spots because of the rain we got yesterday. The good thing about it was short-lived. It was a thunderstorm that rushed through, but it dumped a lot of water. But nevertheless, I still lost a lot of soil, topsoil, but it came out okay. So I'm still hoping for more coverage. I'm going to skip watering for today because we got so much last night, and the temperature got into the 50s last night, and high is going to be, I believe, in the 80s. To get there at that optimum growing temperature range. As you can see, the wash off here. So I'm going to get it together, and I haven't tackled the back part over there. I'm going to try to start doing that this week. That will be not as intense as this here. That's just going to be a straight dethatch, aeration, then overseed. So it's not as the work is not as hard that I have to do there, but it's the space is a lot more. But you can see the grass is coming up. I'm happy with it. So far so good. And now the thing about this grass, I do have it mixed in with Kentucky bluegrass and tall fescue. The watering requirements still going to be the same for the Kentucky bluegrass because it grows a lot slower. Right now I'm looking at this area here. Looks like, you probably can't see it on the camera, it looks like there's a dip there. So eventually I'm going to be filling all of this with sand next year in order to have a real leveled surface to mow on, to real mow on. When I say level, I just mean level, but the slope, there's nothing I can do about the slope, so it's not going to be leveled across the lawn or flat per se. It's not going to be flattened out as far as how the grass is going to grow on slopes, but I just want it all nice and even. I have another low spot right there, so I still got work to do. But one thing I say is I didn't have any visible grass yesterday, none, and then the rain came and it popped out like crazy. I will say that I think that I know that there's a big difference between the water that's coming out of the sprinkler and natural rainwater. I mean, it really popped it out. Anyway, this is day 6 on the overseed. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm going to be going out trying to find a dethatcher in order to proceed to the next step.